I'm not surprised that we're headed in that direction. I think we're going to see more states approve it. And I know that they've tried in Colorado before, if I remember correctly, and it didn't work the first time. And then they perhaps were able to get it to go through as medical. I can't remember the whole history on that, but that was a state that had been pushing for it. And I think eventually, we're going to get to a point where the federal government is going to have to make a decision. Are we going to uphold what the states are doing, or we're going to challenge them on this, or we're just going to have a federal ruling on whether or not we're going to legalize marijuana in general or allow it medically, because it's not really something the federal government has really commented on with all of the push that we've seen happening in the states, whether they're getting the medical or the recreational. I think that we'll see as the younger generations continue to come up and are becoming a bigger part of the voting bloc, that it will become a more common thing, and it will become something that's acceptable. It definitely has ramifications if it continues, and that we're going to see less convictions for recreational marijuana use. I think that a large chunk of our prison population is the result of the war on drugs, and marijuana being a big part of that. And then, we'll be forced to move our focus to other things that are more threatening to our safety.
Mm-hmm. Do you think it will ever be legalized in North Carolina?
I don't think it would be legalized here unless it was a national mandate. Otherwise, we'd be waiting a very long time. So I think there will be a ruling at the national level before North Carolina ever would approve it to be statewide.
Why do you think North Carolina won't approve it?
I think, the state's still very conservative. I think, to a certain degree, the state has some comfortability with a Democratic platform, and I think that's the platform that is more in tune with approving marijuana. But I think the state is just, its social values are not there yet. It's still, I consider it to still be a part of the Bible Belt. It's not the most extreme, like, perhaps in Alabama or Mississippi or anything like that, but they're still not at that point. They're just not there. I think you'll have to have a couple of generations die before it becomes more acceptable in North Carolina.
Okay.